Alright, here's the script. Hey everyone, welcome to RomeTips.com. Today, we're going to be taking a look at how to turn off those mail categories in the Mail app on your iPhone. Sometimes they can be a bit cluttered, so let's see how to declutter. First things first, open up the Mail app. Then, you'll want to select an inbox. I usually go for all inboxes at the top, but you can choose whichever one you want to work with. Okay, now you see all those mail categories listed, right? To get rid of them, look in the top right corner for that circle icon with the 3 dots. Tap it. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, simply select List View. Boom! The mail categories disappear, and you're left with just the emails in the inbox you selected. Nice and clean, right? Now, if you ever want to bring those mail categories back, just tap that circle icon with the 3 again in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select Categories, and they'll all reappear. You can use them just like you normally would. And that's it. A super simple way to customize your mail app. I hope this quick tip was helpful. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a like. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more iPhone tips and tricks. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. This was based on my own experience, and you can find some helpful links in the description. Thanks for watching.